Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to remove duplicates from a list. So let's get started. So basically, we will go around two approaches. That is, the first approach using a set and the second approach using our own function. So in the first method, what we will do is we will make use of the set data structure and remove duplicates and then convert it back to a list. So as you can see, I have a predefined data of a list consisting of duplicate values, and now what I will do is I will rewrite the data and I will now save it as a set using the set method, and inside the set method I will call the list name data. And now if I print data, you will see the difference in the data obtained. And as you can see, now we get a set data structure printed on a command without any of the duplicate values. This is because set only stores non-duplicate values inside the data. And now all what we need to do is convert the set back again to a list using the list method. And all I can do is list and wrap it with the brackets. And now, as you can see, we have a list obtained which does not have any duplicates. The next method is a self-defined function. So I've created a function called as remove duplicates that takes in a list as an argument, and then within the function I've created an empty list, and what I do is I iterate for each item inside my list and I check if my item is not in my data, which means it's not present in the list that I've created, then I will append it into the list, else I will not append it. So what happens is, let me show you a simple example. So if I call this function over this data 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. So first it checks if 1 is present in the data. As you can see, the list is empty, so 1 is not present. Then it checks if at the next iteration if 2 is present. As you can see, 2 is not present, so it will append that. But then on the next iteration it checks if 2 is present, and 2 is already present in the list, so then it will not append, and so forth. And then finally we will get a list without any duplicates. So let me show you how that works. If I run this, as you can see, we get a list obtained without any duplicates. So basically the main working of this function works around in this if condition. I'm saying that if my item is not present inside this my data, then I shall print it, then I shall append it to the list, since I only want non-duplicate values. So that's it from this quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.